Per la prima volta in Europa i migliori maestri di spada cinese di JiNan arriveranno a tenere un workshop unico ed irripetibile.
Welcome to JiNan. Its strength is also evident in its extraordinary capacity for reconstruction, in a functional modernity that embraces the present without denying its ancient spirit. From the cradle of the sword, from the ancient city of JiNan, where steel has forged legends and martial art is sculpted in the stone of time, an echo of power arrives, technical modernity and ancient spirit. Now for the first time, the masters of the supreme art of the two-handed sword leave their sacred abode to bring a unique opportunity to Europe. Not a mere workshop, but an investiture, a rite of passage for those who wish to embrace the path of the sword, to become the guardians of this ancient flame. Prepare to cross the threshold, to test your spirit and your body, to forge your soul with the steel of discipline and the passion of the warrior. This is the moment to answer the call, to join the ranks of the chosen. An extraordinary event, an exclusive workshop, a unique opportunity for aspiring sword instructors, an intensive training program guided directly by the custodians of this ancient wisdom to acquire the skills and knowledge necessary to transmit the art of the two-handed sword with authenticity and mastery. Not just a course, a selection. The most deserving candidates, those who demonstrate talent, dedication, and passion, will have the honor of officially becoming part of the Shuangshujian School of Study, a prestigious recognition and an unparalleled opportunity for personal and professional growth. This is more than a workshop. It's an investiture. It's the beginning of a journey that will take you into the heart of Chinese martial tradition, an experience that will change your life forever. Don't miss the chance to be part of this historic event.
Quindi assolutamente non perdete l'occasione e non fatevi scappare questo workshop irripetibile.